Never hire a Gen Z person to work for you. Because I was just at Chick-fil-A and the line was taking forever. But when it was my turn to order, I tell the guy what I want. But as I'm doing that, he keeps looking up directly behind me every 5 seconds. So I thought there was a ghost standing behind me or something. But then out of nowhere, he looks at the clock again, turns around, gets his stuff, and then leaves. Right in the middle of taking my order. So another worker sees this, rolls her eyes, and then finishes taking my order. But I asked her why that guy just left randomly, and she said he always leaves the second his shift ends. So the reason he was looking up behind me is because there was a clock on the wall, and the minute that clock struck 8 p.m., he was out of there. Honestly, I respect it because if you ain't getting paid to stay longer, you might as well leave. But bro, can you at least finish taking my order next time?